Over 10 lakh students wait with bated breath as the CBSE is likely to announce their marking criteria for Class 12 today. The evaluation will likely be on pre-board exams and Class 10 and Class 11 results.
Will there be a grading system or will there be marks for all? Will Class 10 and 11 results be given maximum consideration? And what will happen to the practicals conducted? So many questions, but still no answers. Weeks after the Narendra Modi government cancelled the CBSE board exams for Class 12 students due to the pandemic, more than 10 lakh students are awaiting clarity on the assessment procedure. The CBSE is likely to end the suspense in the next 24 hours or so. But for now, the students find themselves in a state of limbo.
I am a good student, so I was looking forward for my boards. I was expecting above 93, 94, 95% above. So right now I'm kind of confused and I don't know how much marks I'll get.
I feel grade 10 marks, taking that into account, is a good idea because it's the closest to an authentic board exam that we've had.
Similar is the ordeal of the parents.
There is a lot of confusion now in the minds of parents because, the exams got cancelled at the last moment. The children have prepared. How the students would get the marks?
I feel that had they been told much earlier that these exams, they would be in a better position to have prepared for their competitive exams.
Sources tell India Today that the CBSE will evaluate students on the basis of their performances in previous exams. Sources say evaluation will be based on pre-board exams as well as Class 10th and 11th results. The board has also rejected reports of it following a no-marks criteria to evaluate students.
Pandemic has given this opportunity to think and to just redefine the evaluation process. So the children are getting benefit, no doubt, because in class 10th, which CBSE has given us the criteria and the formulas, they are very good and they are in favor of a student.
The CBSE faces a tough task of ensuring a fast and fair assessment formula for the students. Its decision will also be looked up by various state boards that have also cancelled board exams. With Pankaj Upadhyay in Mumbai, Abhishek Mishra in Lucknow and Akshay Nath in Chennai, Bureau Report, India Today.
So exactly what will be the assessment criteria? Can we expect a decision from the CBSE today? Let me take this across to Amandeep Shukla, who's joining us live with more details this morning. Amandeep, good morning. Any clarity from the CBSE? Are we going to be getting an announcement today or do we have to wait till tomorrow?
Good morning. Good morning. What we hear today is that the CBSE will finalize its criteria today. The announcement may actually come tomorrow once it submits its decision in the court and the court approves it. The CBSE actually may not announce it today because they would like the court to kind of have a look at it first. But however, the time for them, they had set the 16th of this month as the date by which they will finalize the criteria. So most likely the criteria will be finalized. It will be based on the previous year's exams and also the school's overall performance. And most likely by evening, the CBSE would have finalized and be ready to put it in the court.
Okay, so Amandeep, we're expecting perhaps some details of the criteria today, and tomorrow you're telling us it will be made public. Thank you for joining us with all those details, Amandeep. A lot of speculation for students at this point, over 10 lakh of them awaiting a decision from the CBSE. Now, in an effort to boost vaccination drive, we've also been seeing a lot of vaccination camps being set up in residential societies, in apartments. Now, in an upscale Mumbai society, residents are questioning the authenticity of the vaccine that they received. 390 people who reside in the society got vaccinated. Not a single person had any side effect. Hospitals also have come out to deny providing any vaccines to this housing society, and that's why residents are suspecting that they were given fake COVID shots and also a fake COVID certificate.
This is Mumbai's upscale Hiranandani Estate Society. On May 30th, 390 people living here were given Covishield shots inside the society premises. What happened next was baffling. None of the 390 people given the vaccine had any post-jab symptoms, like a mild fever or an ache in the hand. There were more surprises to come.
390 लोगों को वैक्सीनेशन दी गई थी उस दिन ऑन रिकॉर्ड, और हमसे 1260 रुपया लिया गया है. हमें बोला गया था 1200 रुपया ये इसका वैक्सीनेशन का चार्ज है और 60 रुपीज़ GST है. वहाँ पे किसी को पिक्चर्स लेने नहीं दे रहे थे कि भाई आई एम वैक्सीनाइट, और तो वो जो वहाँ पे स्टाफ था वो भी बोल रहा था सेल्फी और हमारा भी फोटो आपको नहीं लेना है.
The people living in the high-end society grew more suspicious after nobody received the certificate issued by the government.
We are seeing after like the day of vaccine, no one is having any side effects, no one is having any terms of, like symptoms, nothing in that sorts. So in terms of that, then we started questioning, we started wondering what is going on. So after that, after inquiring, we got to know that no one was getting certificates also, which was supposed to be issued within the first 10-15 minutes of getting the vaccine.
After 10 days, they did get the certificates, but these had the names of different hospitals in Mumbai.
सर्टिफिकेट जो बाद में तो वो तो डिफरेंट नेस्को से आ रहे हैं, लाइफलाइन से आ रहे हैं, हमको आ रहे हैं नानावटी से आ रहे हैं.
नेस्को तो BMC के अस्पताल.
वही जब नेस्को का सर्टिफिकेट आया तब यह सरप्राइज कि ये तो फ्री का और BMC का है, ये कैसे मैनेज हो रहा है. इट मींस इट्स अ वेरी बिग गेम कि ये सब वैक्सीनेशन तो मैनेज हुआ है पर सर्टिफिकेट भी मैनेज हो रहा है.
Then came another twist in the story. The hospitals, which included the city's top ones, denied to have given any vaccine doses to be administered to Hiranandani Estate Society members. Anxiety and anger has gripped the members. They are not even sure what vaccine was given to them.
300 people have taken this vaccine, maybe more than that. 390 people have taken the vaccine. Okay, so we want to know first the authenticity कि क्या गया है हमारे body में. The first and foremost. Second, we need the government intervention on this.
सर्टिफिकेट जो आते हैं जनरली गवर्नमेंट के सर्टिफिकेट जो आते हैं वो 15-20 मिनट में या विद इन 1-2 आवर्स आ ही जाते हैं, एट द मोस्ट 24 आवर्स. बट हम लोग को किसी को भी कोई भी सर्टिफिकेट नहीं आया. जो भी सर्टिफिकेट्स आए किसी को एक हफ्ते के बाद, किसी को उसके बाद.
Mumbai police has now launched a probe into what happened in one of Mumbai's premium housing societies.
The society members are alleging that this is a huge vaccination scam in this whole matter. Meanwhile, the Mumbai police is saying that they are going to verify the facts in this case first. They are going to question the officials from the different hospitals as well as some of the society members. If there are any irregularities, they are going to take a strict action. With camera person Prashant Bhatt, this is Saurav Vakhtania in Mumbai for India Today.